Nothing, just the thought of war and doom impending on my heart. You don't get that? Anytime that a plane flies over my head like that, oh man, maybe it's my genes, my Polish genes. How many times my people have been taken over. I guess it's just in my DNA. Plain duck, hide, fight. Threat, looming threat. But God, try not to think about that. Your country, the country you love so much, the people you love here, this country that you love so much. How powerless I feel. We were supposed to have a nice beach day. Oh, what is anxiety is getting to me? My love. My birdie. My ropuja. Ropuja. Can you say ropuja? Ro. Close enough. Poo? No, not poo. Poo poo. Ropuja. Sorry, ha. There's no H at the end. Ropuja is like a big frog. But as we know, in my language, we call our baby, our lover, our honey, by lots of things. My bunny, my chicken, my froggy, my big froggy, and you, my love. Today, you are my ropuja. Because as I was saying that, you had a smile on your face, like you know something I don't. What? What is it? Tell me. Oh yeah. I think it's just the necessary. Nel mezzo, as Alain de Botton says. It means in the middle, you know? To live with this fear that, tomorrow might not be a free day. But at the same time, to enjoy to the absolute most this lovely beach day you've planned for us. Absolutely basking in the sun, enjoying the here and now with you. I am getting better at de-stressing. It's easy. Every night before I go to bed, a friend told me this, to not think, but to feel every part of my body, every sensation, every vibration, every pain, just to notice it and like do away with it. What else helps me de-stress? This one's easy. To kiss you more, to touch you more, to spend more quality time with you. My voice is not scratchy. Actually, how? You know me so well. I don't know. I'm more argumentative in the past 2 days, 3 days. I wonder what was in that splinter. No. I'm afraid that nature is running its course in my body. Yeah, I'm actually kind of embarrassed of my body today. I needed to say it out loud, because then I could name that emotion, embarrassment. Can I just ramble? Is that okay? I don't want to annoy you. I'm in a really good mood, but I do feel a little conflicted about a lot of things. Sorry, and I feel like talking to you always helps. It always helps when you listen and distill what I'm saying into like, I can see you're feeling like this. And I'm like, yes. Only bloated. I'm like, I know it's temporary because literally my ovaries are shedding themselves right now. So my body's in inflammation. And of course, it's going to be a little swollen. But body image is hard for me. Sometimes when I don't look like myself. Like right now, I know it's temporary, but with my job, I feel the pressure to always be stunningly beautiful. Most days I feel like that intrinsically because I love myself. But sometimes, I feel like you're looking at me. I know you're checking me out. Just laying eyes on that which is beautiful because humans love beautiful. And you love me. So you love the way I move and stuff, but it's like, it's nothing you're doing, but it's like I'm perceiving myself through you. And the thought that I'm perceiving myself, because it's just sometimes I want to wear a big baggy t-shirt and your plaid boxer briefs, the Ralph Lauren ones. I'd rather run around the beach and be in that than remember that I have a buddy. That does so much for me. You're right. I know. My tummy. About my tummy. It's cute. You like my tummy? That feels good. That tickles. I wonder if you would like it if I did that to your tummy. No, you turned off the tickles? I hate it when you turn off the tickles. Life is bleak, amor. A plane can remind you that whole war is a thing and it might just happen any day, and AI and nuclear war and World War III already started, let's be honest. So the fact that you can't even give me the pleasure of tickling your tummy, wow. I can't. Kiss me. Kiss me. Because you make me feel cute. Because you make me feel cute no matter what shape I am. I know. Oh, I know. I know. I am pretty skinny. Pretty muscly, pretty lanky, pretty curvy at the same time. I love my body, but I just don't feel too good right now. I'm sorry. Are you gonna kiss me or not? I think yeah, I must hit you really hard. Decided not to. could stay here all night with you. Just getting to breathe so deeply. And remember that there's so much out there for us to explore and to do. You are just the sweetest. You deserve so much. So much. And I'm committed to giving you that. And helping you get that. So that one day, yeah, we could do this together. For not just an afternoon, but maybe a whole day. Ropucha. Moja ropucha. I know you think I'm so silly when I say that I don't like my body today. And that is the best of all. It's that confidence, that assuredness reminding me. Bringing me back. Thank you for doing that for me. Big thank you to you. I couldn't do this without your support. Thank you to our top patrons of the month. Your names are on my mind all the time as we private message daily, as we get to know each other more, and as you help me continue this channel through all of the seasons, all of the phases of the moon. Thank you. Thank you for listening, and love you.